Good morning, students. Let us continue with trigonometry. Prove the identity. Sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta by sin theta equal to 2 by sin theta. In earlier videos, I already proved them, so I am not proving it now. So now directly look at second bit. Hence solve this entire equation. As in the last video, we must and should use first bit result in the second bit. So in place of this entire thing, I will write 2 by sin theta this time equal to 1 plus 3 sin theta. Okay. Next step, cross multiply. So 2 equal to sin theta plus 3 sin square theta I get. Now bring all to one side, 3 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 2 equal to 0. It's a quadratic, let sin theta equal to x. I get 3x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So after factorization, I get x values to be minus 1 or 2 by 3. That means sin theta is minus 1 or sin theta is 2 by 3. In earlier videos, I told you if it is minus 1, we got the value to be 70. And 2 by 3 means positive, first and second. First, you get directly, second 180 plus this one. So 138.180 minus you get, yeah, right. You get 138.2. Am I clear? So these are the three values of theta. Look at second sum now. Prove the identity cos theta by tan theta into 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by sin theta minus 1. Let us prove that first. In this case, I took LHS, fine. What can be simplified is tan theta. In place of tan theta, what can I write? I can write sin theta by cos theta. This cos theta cannot go here, so this will go up. So cos theta into cos theta will become cos square theta by sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. I suggest not to multiply the denominator. Now in place of cos square theta, what can I write? 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta, I can put a square on 1, and now it is of the form a square minus b square. So it is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta by sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Now what gets cancelled? 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta gets cancelled. So what is left? 1 minus sin theta by sin theta. But in my RHS, I have 1 by sin theta minus 1. In earlier videos, I told we can split this thing as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta by sin theta. It doesn't make any difference, right? So now what gets cancelled? This gets cancelled. So it is 1 by sin theta minus 1, which is my RHS. So I proved that. Am I clear with so far? Yeah. Now look at second bit. In the B1, first bit result must and should be used. So in place of this entire thing, what will I write now? 1 by sin theta minus 1 I will write equal to 1. Send 1 to the other side. So 1 by sin theta equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So now cross multiply. 1 equal to 2 sin theta. So sin theta equal to half you get. So where all is it? Positive first and second. So your angles are 30 and 150. Am I clear so far? Now look at next sum. Prove 1 by 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by 1 minus sin theta equal to 2 by cos square theta. This proof I already proved before in the earlier video, so I am not doing it now. So I was trying to teach you how to do this second bit. Hence solve this entire thing equal to 5. Again, first bit result must and should be used in the second bit. This bracket resembles to the first bit. So in place of this entire bracket, what can I write? I can write 2 by cos square theta. Simple enough. Yes, now what gets cancelled? Cos theta and cos square theta gets cancelled. So what next? Cross multiply. 2 equal to 5 cos theta. So cos theta equal to 2 by 5. So where all is my cos positive? First and fourth. To get the first quadrant, we directly cos inverse 2 by 5. And the fourth quadrant is 360 minus. That will result in 293.6. So these are the two values of theta. Am I clear so far? Look at next sum. Prove 1 plus sin theta plus 1 by tan theta whole square equal to 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus sin theta. Okay, let me prove this one then. I am taking LHS is the first one. Next is 1 by sin theta. In place of tan theta, what will I write? Sin theta by cos theta. Now where will this cos theta go? This cannot go here. So this will go over here. And it will become now 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Are the denominators same? So LCM is sin theta. And in the numerator I get 1 plus cos theta whole square. So now square gets applied to the numerator as well as to the denominator. How can I change sin square theta? Sin square theta can be changed as 1 minus cos square theta. Now I can put a square on 1 and now it is of the form a square minus b square. So it is 1 plus cos theta whole square by a square minus b square is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. By observing what gets cancelled, 1 square and 1 plus cos theta gets cancelled. So what is the remaining 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, which is your RHS. Am I clear with the proving part? Now look at second bit. Again, every time first bit result must and should be used in the second bit. So in place of this entire thing, what can I write now? 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to 2. So next step, cross multiply. So 1 plus cos theta equal to 2 minus 2 cos theta. So this one here 3 cos theta equal to 1. So cos theta equal to 1 by 3. Where all is it positive? First and fourth. So theta values I get are 70.5 and 289.5. How to get the angles? In earlier videos we have already done. So I am not doing that now. Is this sum clear? Always we are using first bit result in the second bit to find the values of theta. Look at next sum now. Prove cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. And B bit is hence solve. Let us do the first bit first. So I am taking LHS. So it is cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta. Now cos power 4 theta I can write cos square theta whole square minus sin power 4 theta I can write sin square theta whole square. Right? Now why did I write? To make it of the form a square minus b square. In place of a cos square theta, in place of b sin square theta. Is it of the form a square minus b square? Yes, right? So now formula is a minus b into a plus b. So it is cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now again cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So remaining is only this one, cos square theta minus sin square theta. On the RHS you don't have sin square, so change sin square. It becomes cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. You need to multiply with negative sign. So cos square theta minus 1 plus cos square theta. So that will become 2 cos square theta minus 1, which is my RHS. Is it clear? Now look at second bit B1. Again first bit result should be used in the second bit. So in place of this entire thing, I will write 2 cos square theta minus 1 equal to 1 by 2. So send 1 to the other side, what do I get? 3 by 2. Now send 2 to the other side, what do I get? 3 by 4. Send square, so whenever square root result will be plus or minus root 3 by 2. You will lose a mark if you don't consider the negative sign as well. So now cos theta equal to plus root 3 by 2 or cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. Where all is it positive? First and fourth. So their angles are 30 and 330 and it's negative in second and third. 180 minus of this and 180 plus of this. So these are the four values of theta. Am I clear with this? Had you seen all trigonometry sums, you should be able to do all the AS level sums in trigonometry lesson.